Google just launched something huge for small businesses, and it's called Pomelli. Built by Google Labs and DeepMind, Pomelli is an AI marketing tool that helps small to medium businesses build brand-consistent campaigns automatically. Here's how it works. Pomelli scans your website and existing visuals to understand your brand, everything from your tone of voice, color palette, and font style to the overall visual feel of your business. From that, it builds what Google calls your business DNA, a profile that becomes a foundation for all your future campaigns. Once it understands your brand DNA, Pomelli uses that to suggest campaign ideas tailored to your business goals, generate on-brand marketing assets for social media, websites, and ads, and make everything fully editable so you can tweak text, visuals, and layout before publishing. It's like having a creative agency built directly into your browser, but powered by DeepMind's AI. Now, for small businesses that don't have big design or marketing teams, this could be a game changer. No more spending days briefing agencies, no more hunting for freelancers. Pomelli can take your brand, your style, and your goals and generate campaigns in minutes. It's available right now in public beta, in English, across the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. And since it's a Google Labs experiment, they're still collecting feedback, meaning the tool will likely get much smarter over time. In short, Pomelli combines AI reasoning from DeepMind with Google's massive design and marketing data to give businesses a creative superpower: speed, consistency, and brand precision. If you run a business or manage marketing for one, it's definitely worth trying. Check it out, Pomelli by Google Labs and DeepMind, and see how AI can bring your brand's DNA to life. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI tools transforming marketing and design.